Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into some exciting updates about DJI's upcoming drone lineup, with the spotlight shining on the much-anticipated DJI Neo 2. While the first version of the Neo caught attention, as a beginner-friendly lightweight drone, the Neo 2 seems set to push things forward in design, performance, and features. If you've been following the drone industry, you'll know how crucial leaks, FCC certifications, and subtle hints are in shaping what we can expect next from DJI. Now let's break it down step by step, because there's a lot to talk about, from confirmed certifications, rumored upgrades, expected release dates, and where this new drone fits within DJI's fast-expanding ecosystem that includes the DJI Mini 5 Pro, Osmo 360, Osmo Nano, and even the Mic 3 system. DJI Neo 2 FCC certification, what it means. The buzz began again after Mauro Tondoi spotted the DJI Neo 2 on the FCC listings, which basically confirms one thing: the drone has cleared regulatory hurdles for sales in Hawaii, the US. But let's clear up a common misunderstanding. FCC certification doesn't mean the drone is about to launch tomorrow. Instead, it's a strong signal that DJI is close to finalizing production and could roll out the device within weeks or possibly a few months, depending on their global release strategy. DJI often plays the long game with launches. Sometimes, a product is spotted on the FCC database weeks before its announcement, while other times, it could be months. This makes it tricky to predict an exact release date, but history suggests that once it's in the FCC system, the official reveal isn't too far away. First leaks. Design and build. So far, the most solid leak comes from a prototype image showing double-layered propeller guards. Unlike the older, bulkier guard design, this one looks more refined and optimized for better stability. These guards don't just add safety, they also improve aerodynamic flow, reducing drag while giving the drone a more professional, modern look. Rumors point toward the Neo 2 having a lighter and more aerodynamic frame compared to its predecessor. While it may not drastically abandon the mini drone style, it seems DJI is focusing on efficiency and portability, while still creating space for a potentially larger camera sensor and upgraded hardware. The camera, bigger sensor and smarter. Features. One of the most exciting rumors is that the DJI Neo 2 will feature a larger camera sensor, possibly 1.3-inch or larger, which would be a massive upgrade from the first Neo. Why does that matter? A larger sensor means better low-light performance, sharper images, richer colors, and smoother video. Exactly the kind of improvement drone enthusiasts have been asking for. With DJI leading the way in aerial photography, it wouldn't be surprising if the Neo 2 supports 4K 60fps recording, HDR video, and even advanced photography modes like hyperlapse, panorama, and quick shots. This could make it a strong competitor not only for beginners, but also for content creators who want high-quality footage without moving into the higher-priced Mavic lineup. Obstacle avoidance, a big step forward. The original Neo was pretty bare bones when it came to obstacle avoidance, which limited its appeal for advanced users. This time around, the leak suggests that the Neo 2 could integrate improved obstacle sensors that support intelligent tracking modes. Features like Active Track, 6.0, Focus Track, and APA's Advanced Pilot Assistance System are rumored to be included. These would allow the drone to automatically follow subjects, avoid obstacles in real time, and make flying safer and easier, even for beginners. If this turns out to be true, the Neo 2 could be one of the most versatile lightweight drones in DJI's catalog performance and flight time. Although DJI hasn't revealed the official specs, industry whispers suggest that the Neo 2 may boast improved battery efficiency, offering around 30-35 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That would put it in line with the DJI Mini series, giving pilots enough airtime to capture creative shots without constant recharging. The upgraded motor system and aerodynamic redesign might also contribute to a quieter flight profile, making it less intrusive in urban or natural environments. Portability and user-friendliness are clearly at the core of what DJI is aiming for here. Price expectations and market position. Now, let's talk about pricing. The first Neo was marketed as an affordable entry-level drone, and DJI may follow the same strategy with the Neo 2. However, with all the rumored upgrades, camera improvements, obstacle avoidance, and advanced tracking, it's likely the Neo 2 will come with a slightly higher price tag. If we had to estimate, the DJI Neo 2 price could fall between $499 to $699, positioning it just below the Mini 5 Pro but well above budget hobby drones. This would make it an attractive option for those who want a balance between affordability and pro-level features. DJI's busy release cycle, Neo 2 and beyond one thing, is clear. DJI isn't slowing down anytime soon. Alongside the Neo 2 rumors, the company is preparing to launch several other exciting products, including DJI Osmo 360, expected to push boundaries in immersive video capture, DJI Mic 3, catering to creators who need professional audio solutions, DJI Osmo Nano, another addition to their stabilized camera series, DJI Mini 5 Pro, set for release on August 7th, already building major hype as one of DJI's flagship consumer drones. This aggressive release cycle shows DJI's strategy, dominating not just the drone market, but also the entire creative tools ecosystem, from cameras to audio gear. Why the DJI Neo 2 matters. The Neo 2 is shaping up to be more than just a successor. It's DJI's chance to refine its entry-level market offering while bringing in advanced features usually reserved for premium models. By improving the sensor, obstacle avoidance, and tracking capabilities, DJI could capture a huge audience of vloggers, travelers, and beginner pilots who want pro-level results without spending thousands. This drone could also become a stepping stone for new pilots, preparing them for higher-end models like the Mavic 3 Pro or Inspire series. With DJI facing more competition than ever, the Neo 2 could be the perfect mix of innovation and accessibility. Final thoughts: at this point, much of what we know about the DJI Neo 2 is based on leaks, speculation, and FCC filings, but that's enough to paint an exciting picture. A lighter design, bigger sensor, improved obstacle avoidance, and smarter tracking features could make this one of the most talked-about drone releases of the year. While we wait for official confirmation, keep your eyes on DJI's upcoming events, especially with the DJI Mini 5 Pro launch on August 7th. And as always, we'll continue covering every update, leak, and announcement here on Technotrend Zone. So, if you're passionate about drones, cameras, or the latest creative technology, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming deep dives. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay creative, stay innovative, and I'll catch you in the next update.